Welcome to the set of training videos provided by the Bulgarian partner Architectural Spice. You're watching the fourth video tutorial from the XRT set.
Hi guys, this is Chris from Architectural Spice, and today I'm going to introduce you step by step to the development of a desktop AR application. We start by downloading our developed project from GitHub, and then we need to download the HoloSDK from their official site so we can run our application. HoloSDK must be installed on the local C disk. Once everything is extracted and installed, we need to create a new Unity project. Then we have to import the Unity package that we just installed from our GitHub, and then find the 3D glasses scene and open it. Very important to remember that HoloSDK works only with key IDs, and in order for it to work we need to change our company name to Architectural Spice and the product name to 3D Glasses. Otherwise, if you don't want to use our key ID, you have to create an account in HoloSDK official site and then manage a license of the whole project. Our developed project has a C# script that's called model changing, and it basically translates like when you click the space every time the model changes. Before we run the application in Unity, we need to set up a few settings for the whole SDK. application is an easy process, and you have to just add the scene, in our case 3D glasses, and then choose the platform as standalone, and then just click the build button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you soon.